Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to copy your YouTube video link or any video link from YouTube. So I'm gonna open my YouTube first. Now choose one or any video you want to get link like this one. Now if you want to get the link from this video, all you have to do is you can see here that share option. Click on this and just click on copy. You can find here the link. You can copy like this way, or you can click on this copy and your link will be copied to your clipboard. Okay, and you can use it anywhere like this. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.